Hello everyone and welcome back. Before we get into today's video, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Thank you. Today's video is going to be about a little DIY jewelry storage project. I usually store my jewelry either in these Ziploc bags or in these storage boxes that I get with them. The problem with these is they either get tangled up and they don't keep shape, or they take up so much of storage space. Especially with these jewelry boxes, they can only hold one jewelry item, and if you have multiple jewelry items, the boxes pile up and it's really hard to access them. So I figured out a simple yet elegant way to store expensive jewelry. So let's get started. I would like to talk you through the materials that require for this project. First, these unfinished rectangular wood trays, perfect for crafts. These are attractive, inexpensive, and they feel sturdy. I got them from Amazon. You get for $20, 5 for $20, and the measurements are 13 by 7 inches smallest to 16 by 10 inches largest. The next item is this stretched velvet cloth, and I got this from Amazon too. There are so many colors in this one. I got olive green. I'll leave all the links down below in the description box for you to have a look. And this one is 1 yard, and this is really nice piece. Looks elegant and soft, and it also helps to clean the jewelry. That's why I picked this one. Next, these ones, I bought this to hang my oil paintings on the wall, and they are much handy for other projects too. These are called hook and loop tapes. They come in 2 rolls. One roll is hook tape, and the other one is loop tape. First, I lay this velvet cloth on the dining table, and this is measuring 16 inches by 10 inches. So either we can take the measurements first hand and then cut the cloth and then use it accordingly, or I feel comfortable using it this way. I just leave some cloth here for the Velcro to get attached, and here too, so that when the cloth is inside, it gets attached to the sides. And then now, because this layer is for the bottom bit, and I am using the other same measurements to cover the sheet. So instead of cutting the velvet cloth in 2 pieces, I just want to cut in 1 cloth. So I'll just turn the tray like that and then put it like that. And now I take the measurements with this pencil or marker. Attach the velcros, and then this looks like that, and this goes like a folding, like, you know, the cover up. So this is how it looks like. And I have put all the way to the sides, Velcro tape to all the sides, and you can adjust it accordingly. And now we are left with this cloth. This is for covering the jewelry. So basically what we have to do is we have to stick the Velcro here, and then we should make it a box, sort of like that. And then this covers from the top like that. I'll show you in a bit. In the same way, I attached the cloth to all other trays and made into the jewelry trays like that. As you can see, I have arranged jewelry here. So these things are stackable, and as you can see, they are stackable like that on top of each other. And in this tray, in the biggest tray, I could fit 4 big beaded necklaces in here. And according to the size you have, you can arrange them. And also because this has got this cloth, so jewelry is protected from dust. It acts like a dust bag. And and also the other thing is, when you want to just clean the jewelry, you can do with this cloth. It is jewelry cleaning cloth as well, so that way it works in both ways. And also this is not only used by ladies, but gentlemen can use this too. In this tray I have arranged belts, and they can store watches, sunglasses and wallets, and then they can put it close like that, and then everything is in one place and you don't have to search for them. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Thank you.